The first term of a geometric progression is 7, and the common ratio is -2. Find the ninth term. Find the sum of the first 15 terms. The first term of an arithmetic progression is 7, and the common difference is -2. The sum of the first n terms is -2,900. Find the value of n. So here's the questions then, summarized. So here then, let's have a look at it. First term is 7 in a geometric series or progression. So a equals 7. R, the common ratio, is -2. And the ninth term, so ninth term is a r to the 8, which is 7 times r minus 2 to the power 8. Let's tap that in the calculator then. The minus will disappear because it's an even power, so just write 7 times 2 to the power 8 equals 1792. 1792. That's the ninth term. Find the sum of the first 15 terms. So Sn is a r to the n minus 1, isn't it? Over r minus 1. Or you can write it round the other way. Because r is negative, we can write that as a 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r. Probably easier to put it that way around, isn't it? A is 7, so let's put that in. R is -2. So 1 over minus 2 is 1 plus 2, which is 3. So 7 over 3. 1 minus r to the n. Sum of the first 15 terms, so it's -2 to the 15. Close bracket. So we need to tap that in the calculator then. So S15 is equal to... Okay, so let's tap it in then. It's move that out of the way slightly. 7 over 3. 7 divided by 3 times bracket 1 minus bracket -2. Close that bracket, power 15. Come down to ground level. Close the bracket then. Equals 76461. 76461. So that's sum of the first 15 terms. Part B, AP now. First term is 7, and the common difference is -2. So part B. First term is 7, and the common difference is equal to -2. The sum of the first n terms is -2,900. Find the value of n. So Sn is equal to n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. That's equal to -2,900, wasn't it? So let's try and solve for n. A is 7, so we've got n over 2 then. 2a is 2 sevens of 14, plus n minus 1 times d, which is -2, close bracket, equals -2900. So what have we got then? So that tells us then that 14n over 2, that would be 7n. Now here, well, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that just yet. I'm going to carry on working with this bracket. So we've got n over 2. Now this bracket is 14 n minus 1 times -2, so it'll be +2, and then -2n equals -2900. So we've got -2n times n is -n squared, because the 2's will cancel. Then we've got 16, n over 2, which is 8n. And then we've got equals minus 2900. So that tells us then move everything to the right hand side. N squared minus 8n minus 2900 equals 0. So will it factorize here? Should do, shouldn't it? Because we need to find the number n such that this is satisfied here. Okay. What have we got then? 29 times 100. We've got, so that would be 50 times 2. 2952. 29 times 2 times 5 times 5. That's 50 times another 2. So can we break this up so that the combination... Yeah, 58 here and 50 there. See it? 58 times 50, so we should be able to factorize n, 58 and 50. Because this is a minus, this should be a minus, that should be a plus. So it tells us that n is equal to 58 here, doesn't it? We could have used a quadratic formula to solve it, but we looked to see if we could factorize first, of course. And n is equal to 58.